Annalise Michael, who passed away in 1979, and she was born September the 2nd. Now, any references and any footnotes and any material that I put up is based on research that I've done, and the author that I'm reading the book, her name is okay, I'm going to spell it to you. Felicitas D. Goodman, 1914 to 2005, was Associate Professor of Anthropology at the Denison University in Granville, Ohio. A religious anthropologist, she wrote numerous books including Speaking in Tongues, How About Demons, Where the Spirits